Musical New Year's resolutions. And did you know 2026 is the year of the analog? This is how playing a musical instrument is going to help you repair your attention span, kick the dopamine addiction, and finally stop doom scrolling. Yes, like you, I am hopelessly addicted to my phone and I hate it. On the other hand, I absolutely love playing music and I never have time for it. It feels simple to say, I'm going to scroll less and practice my recorders more. But in reality, I know it's not that easy. Don't worry, I have made a plan and I'm going to share it with you. The irony is not lost on me that I'm using social media to talk to you about going analog, but my aim is that we can find a healthy middle ground. Hopefully. And at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get 15% off all of my books this month. Number one, I can't just think, stop scrolling. I have to replace it with something else. What am I going to do? Put my phone down and be alone with my thoughts? I'm only slightly joking. Here's what I'm going to do. That pocket of free time when I usually reach for my phone, I'm going to decide to fill that with music and make it something fun, something you genuinely think, ooh, I'd love to do that. So some ideas for you. You could choose your favourite composer and make your way through all their sonatas, or you could start each morning with 10 minutes of eyes closed, relaxing, noodling impro. Resolution number 2. Dopamine. Dopamine is the buzzword on everyone's lips. We earn this chemical through good old-fashioned hard work, hunting and gathering. It's that feeling of achievement after completing a hard task. The thing is, social media simulates this. Like, comment, subscribe. All of this in your brain causes that feeling of lethargy and dissatisfaction, a dopamine crash. You know what is excellent? Excellent against this? Playing a musical instrument. You are in the moment, doing something with your hands, linking all the learning areas of your brain, physical activity, achieving something difficult after practice. The added social benefit if you play in a group. There is nothing better for your brain than music. It's so good. So if you want to repair your dopamine, I know that doesn't sound very scientific, practice a musical instrument. And if you're looking for a similar dopamine healthy activity, I love reading a good sci-fi book, following my weightlifting program in the gym, or decluttering my house. That is so satisfying. Number 3, we're setting boundaries on the things we don't want to make time for the things we do want. Let's get creative with this, not boring. So I'm not allowed to check my phone in the morning until I've picked up my recorder and played my favourite piece. Remember, we're replacing those negatives with something positive. For me and my phone addiction, I need to be a little bit more brutal about it. I've decided to have one completely social media free day every week. I'm really excited about this, as I know that that day is going to be filled with much more present family time, reading, looking out of the window, just being in the present moment. That's the plan. Resolution number 4, finding your new fun hyperfixation. I love a hyperfixation hobby, something you just can't get enough of. You want to learn everything about it. Aside from the obvious, the recorder, I've had loads of these. The X-Files, English Clog Dance, Taylor Swift, Magic the Gathering, and of course, the recorder. I want to remind you that this doesn't have to cost lots of money. I'm not trying to get you to consume lots of things. It's not about buying all the merchandise in order to belong. To learn about the recorder and its music, you can find so much online. Scores at imslp.org, playlists on your streaming service of choice. Though, if you love an album, we musicians really appreciate it if you buy it. And of course, loads of tutorials here on Team Recorder. Resolution number 5, keep your hands busy. So do you have this as well? Any tiny break and you check your phone. TV show ends, check your phone. Kettle boiling, check your phone. Waiting for 1 second, check your... This habit is crucial for me to break. And I do this by replacing that checking motion with something else to do with my hands. I have a favourite fidget toy, but I've left it downstairs and I can't be bothered to walk there. It's like a crunchy ball, squishy, full of marbles. You know what else you can do with your hands? Play the recorder. So, circumstances allowing, why don't you try leaving a recorder or two in opportune places around your house? Have a spare moment, play a tune, play a scale, set yourself a challenge like, how long can I hold a note? Need a bit more inspiration? Stand up and dance a merry jig, pretending you're a 14th century troubadour. Can't make a sound because of the people that live around you? Just play with it like a fidget toy. This is so satisfying too. I am asking you to be whimsical. Resolution number 6, whatever it is, if you want to go the distance, you've got to have a plan. We humans, we need interest, we need novelty, and we also need to be able to tell whether there's any point to what we're doing. In music, you need a lesson plan. If you will indulge me, I have written 3 books that will help with exactly this. And the reason I'm mentioning this now is that they are all 15% off at Music Room until the end of the month. So let me show you. For soprano or tenor beginners, the Hal Leonard method book has everything you need. I wrote this method with my Team Recorder audience in mind, so there are over 40 lesson videos included. It's like I'm there in the room with you, teaching you. The music is early music, classical music, but also pop, film and jazz. There's over 200 backing tracks and creative over to you sections where you make your own music. So I am so proud of this. If you are a more experienced player, the My Favourite Melodies series with Shot is right up your street. I have a volume for soprano and a volume for alto. Different music in each book, of course. Each book has 14 concert-ready pieces with play-along and backing tracks. So all of these books are available 15% off at Music Room until the 31st of January with a discount code info below. And if you want something really special, you can get the signed copies at my webshop. Those ones are not discounted, but those sales directly support Team Recorder. So thank you. So I'm so curious to hear what your musical or not resolutions are. If you have some helpful tips or something you'd like to share, please put that in the comments below. As always, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face down here in the corner. Here's the Team Recorder webshop where you can get signed copies of my book if you don't want the discounted ones. Blah, blah, blah. I said that already. Here's some more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye!